the years, Innovision Entertainment Production was discovering talents through their meaningful pageants and talent search. With over 34 years of long track record in organizing and producing quality family events, Innovision has become the stepping stone of some notable celebrities today.
Teen Fashionista number 23, we have Hope from Quezon City.
Such as the new upcoming Hollywood actress Liza Soberano, Innovision's runner-up in the 2011's Model Search, the 100 Teens Fashionista of Metro Manila.
And Ashanti.
And Mara Clara and Cadenang Ginto lead actress CJ De Guzman, who won Ultimate Grand Winner of Innovision's 100 Cutest Kids of Metro Manila in 2010. This 2025, Innovision Entertainment Production has reached another milestone as their previous Ultimate Bida Kid Grand Winner have made it to the showbiz spotlight.
제놈은 무지개입니다. 저는 6살이고 엄마가 나중에 빠. 나는 한국말로 잘하고 있어요.
Child actress Riley Sofia has won Best Child Performer for the 2024 film Mujige.
My name is Jeb. I am with MQuest Artists Agency. Kung hindi ko ninyo alam ang MQuest, ay ang artist agency ng MVP Group of Companies. Ang chairman si Manny Pangilinan, ang nagpapatakbo ng Signal, Leader Quest at ng TV5. Si Riley ay isang napaka-espesyal na bata at bunga siya ng competition dito a couple of years ago, and we're very happy that when Riley ay nilapit sa amin, nakitaan namin talaga si Riley ng king galing, hindi lang sa pagkakit kundi sa madaming bagay. Kaya hindi kami atubiling sabi sa kanyang mga magulang na we will sign her up. And now Riley is very busy she did Mujigay, and we want to thank the producers and our friends from Unitel, executive producer Madonna Tarayo, her director, and all of her co-actors there, Leslie Ilacad and Jinsu. And of course, after that, binigyan namin siya ng proyekto sa TV5, Himala ng Niño. She's doing Lolo in GMA. Again, nakita niyo sa video, she is actually in Palawan. She is in El Nido, kung kaya wala siya dito ngayon. At siya ay nagsushooting ng pinakamalaking pelikula na aming produce o i-produce ngayon. Ito ay isang Hollywood movie na may mga Hollywood actors na bida. Hindi ko alam kung napakinggan nyo na ang title nito ay The Last Resort na pinagbibigahan ng Daisy Ridley. So ito ay isang napakalaking pelikula. Si Riley ay nag-audition kagaya ng iba pang mga bata, pero nagpakita ng sobrang galing na performance si Riley sa director na Amerikano. Siya ngayon nag-direct na pelikula. So I believe everybody here is, along with the parents, are all dreaming for something big for the kids. We are here to support all your efforts. We want to thank all the parents who are doing this. And as Riley said, keep on dreaming. I think there's so much at stake for a lot of the kids today. Just keep on working on your craft. Maraming salamat, Ricky, sa Innovation for embracing Riley and for taking care of all the kids today. I think you're doing a great job.